everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of tech with a countdown of the top 10 coolest gadgets that are truly insane and available on Amazon. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just looking for something fun, these gadgets are sure to impress. So let's jump right in. 10. Aula H530. The Aula H530 is an exceptional gaming keyboard designed to elevate the user experience with its blend of functionality and style. Featuring a sleek and modern aesthetic, the H530 is built with high-quality materials that ensure durability and longevity, making it an ideal choice for gamers and techists alike. One of its standout features is the customizable RGB lighting, which allows users to personalize their keyboard with a wide range of colors and effects, creating an immersive gaming atmosphere or a vibrant workspace. The mechanical switches provide tactile feedback and swift responsiveness, enhancing the overall typing experience and ensuring that every keystroke is registered with precision. Additionally, the H530 is equipped with anti-ghosting technology, allowing multiple keys to be pressed simultaneously without any conflict, which is crucial during intense gaming sessions. The Aula H530 is a mechanical gaming keyboard known for its sleek design and responsive performance. It features a modern minimalist aesthetic with RGB backlighting that can be customized to suit personal preferences. The keyboard is equipped with tactile and durable mechanical switches, providing a satisfying typing experience and precise keystrokes, which is ideal for gamers and techists alike. 9. Halocool Mini Desktop Vacuum Cleaner. The Halocool Mini Desktop Vacuum Cleaner is a compact yet powerful tool designed to keep your workspace tidy and free from dust and debris. Its sleek, modern design makes it a stylish addition to any desk or workstation, while its lightweight build ensures easy portability. Powered by a strong motor, this mini vacuum efficiently picks up crumbs, dust, and small particles from various surfaces, including keyboards, desks, and shelves. Its user-friendly operation typically features a simple one-button design, allowing for quick cleanups without any hassle. But Halocool Mini Vacuum Cleaner often includes multiple attachments, such as a brush for cleaning more delicate surfaces and a crevice tool for reaching tight spaces, making it versatile for various cleaning tasks. The removable dust container is easy to empty and clean, promoting hassle-free maintenance. 8. AccuMount Tools Keyhole Companion Marking Tool Set. The AccuMount Tools Keyhole Companion Marking Tool Set is an innovative solution for anyone looking to simplify the process of hanging pictures, shelves, or mirrors with precision. This comprehensive set includes everything you need to ensure accurate placement and alignment every time. The Keyhole Companion features a user-friendly design that allows you to quickly mark the location of keyhole slots on the wall, eliminating the guesswork often associated with traditional hanging methods. One of the standout features of this tool set is its versatility. It typically includes a variety of marking tools, such as a level, measuring tape, and marking pencils, all designed to work together seamlessly. The built-in level ensures that your artwork or shelving is perfectly straight, while the measuring tape helps you determine the ideal height and spacing for your items. 7. Go Hang It. Go Hang It is an innovative solution designed to simplify the process of hanging pictures, artwork, and decorative items on your walls with precision and ease. This user-friendly system typically features a range of essential tools and accessories, including a versatile mounting template that helps users accurately position their frames before making any holes in the wall. With Go Hang It, you can eliminate the guesswork associated with aligning multiple pieces or ensuring they are level, resulting in a polished and professional-looking display. One of the standout features of Go Hang is its adjustable template, which allows you to mark multiple hanging points simultaneously. This feature is particularly useful for arranging galleries or clusters of artwork, as it helps you visualize the final arrangement without the hassle of constantly measuring and remeasuring. Go Hang It is a phrase that carries a mix of frustration and resignation. It often surfaces when someone feels that their efforts have been in vain or that a situation is beyond repair. The expression implies a sense of giving up or letting go of something that seems futile or bothersome. 6. Subminimal Nanofoamer V2. The Subminimal Nanofoamer V2 is a game-changing device for coffee enthusiasts who want to elevate their home brewing experience by creating cafe-quality microfoam. This innovative milk frother features advanced technology that allows users to transform any type of milk, dairy or plant-based, into rich, velvety foam, perfect for lattes, cappuccinos, and macchiatos. The Nanofoamer V2 employs a unique stainless steel mesh filter, which creates tiny bubbles to produce microfoam with a silky texture, enabling the rich flavors of coffee to shine through. One of the key highlights of the Nanofoamer V2 is its ease of use. With a simple design, it allows users to froth milk in just a few minutes. You can either use it directly in a jug or in a cup, making it incredibly versatile. The device is powered by a rechargeable battery, ensuring that you can froth your milk quickly and efficiently without the hassle of cords. 5. Draft Top Lift. The Draft Top Lift is an innovative tool designed for beer enthusiasts and anyone who enjoys canned beverages. This clever gadget allows users to easily remove the top of a can, transforming it into an open container that enhances the drinking experience. With its sleek and portable design, the Draft Top Lift is perfect for social gatherings, outdoor events, or simply enjoying a drink at home. One of the standout features of the Draft Top Lift is its unique mechanism, which effortlessly lifts the top of the can without leaving sharp edges, ensuring safety while you enjoy your beverage. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, making it easy to operate with just one hand. By removing the top of the can, the lift allows for better airflow and aroma release. 4. Free Shot. Free Shot is an innovative kitchen gadget designed to simplify the process of pouring and serving shots with precision and flair. This unique tool is perfect for party hosts and cocktail enthusiasts, allowing you to easily measure and dispense the perfect amount of liquor or other beverages with minimal mess. The Free Shot typically features a sleek and ergonomic design that fits comfortably in the hand, making it easy to use for both beginners and seasoned bartenders alike. One of the standout features of Free Shot is its intuitive one-handed operation. With a simple press mechanism, you can dispense shots quickly and accurately, ensuring that each pour is consistent. This is particularly useful when preparing multiple drinks for guests, as it eliminates the need for messy measuring jiggers or spilling. 3. Ear Cleaning Device. An ear cleaning device is a specialized tool designed to help maintain ear hygiene by safely and effectively removing earwax buildup. These devices come in various forms, including electric earwax removers, suction devices, and manual ear picks. Each type is engineered to provide a safe alternative to traditional methods, such as cotton swabs, which can sometimes push wax deeper into the ear canal or cause injury. Electric ear cleaning devices often feature soft, flexible tips that gently remove wax while minimizing discomfort. 2. Cool Waste Bag. The Cool Waste Bag is a stylish and practical accessory designed for those who are always on the go. Perfect for outdoor adventures, travel, or everyday use, this waste bag combines functionality with a trendy aesthetic. Made from durable materials, it offers a lightweight yet robust solution for carrying your essentials without the bulk of a traditional backpack. One of the standout features of the Cool Waste Bag is its spacious compartments, providing ample room for items like your phone, wallet, keys, and even small snacks. Many models include multiple pockets and compartments, making it easy to organize your belongings and access them quickly. The adjustable strap allows for a customizable fit, whether you prefer wearing it around your waist or slung across your body as a crossbody bag. In addition to its practicality, the Cool Waste Bag often incorporates trendy designs and vibrant colors, making it a fashionable choice for any outfit. A Cool Waste Bag, also known as a fanny pack, has made a stylish comeback in recent years. 1. Smart Chess. Smart Chess is an innovative take on the classic game of chess, integrating modern technology to enhance gameplay for both novices and experienced players. This advanced chess set often features a digital board equipped with sensors and connectivity options that allow players to interact with the game in new and exciting ways. One of the standout features of Smart Chess is its ability to provide real-time feedback and analysis. Many sets come with companion apps that track moves, offer strategic suggestions, and analyze gameplay, helping players improve their skills and learn from their mistakes. These apps often feature tutorials and puzzles to enhance your understanding of the game and challenge your tactical thinking. So there you have it. Top 10 coolest gadgets that are truly insane and available on Amazon. Let me know in the comments which one you want to get your hands on. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome tech content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.